Mindbody Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of Mindbody, the booking platform designed for wellness and fitness enthusiasts. Links to explore Mindbody and its features are included in the description below. Mindbody is a powerful tool that connects users with wellness services such as yoga classes, fitness training, spa treatments, and more. It's equally beneficial for clients looking to book services and businesses aiming to manage their operations more efficiently. One of Mindbody's standout features is its extensive network of wellness providers. Whether you're searching for a fitness studio, a massage therapist, or a beauty salon, the platform makes it easy to discover options tailored to your location and preferences. You can filter by service type, availability, pricing, and customer ratings. Each listing includes detailed business profiles, reviews, and pricing transparency, so you can make informed decisions. For clients, booking an appointment is quick and straightforward. Once you find a service, you can view available time slots and book instantly through the app or website. Mindbody also provides automatic reminders to help you stay on top of your schedule, and some providers offer payment integration for added convenience. For business owners, Mindbody is a comprehensive management solution. It offers tools for appointment scheduling, staff management, and client engagement. Features like class and session booking, customer relationship management, CRM, and reporting analytics help businesses streamline operations and grow. The platform also supports marketing through automated campaigns, promotions, and loyalty programs. The Mindbody app is another highlight, offering a seamless experience for users. Clients can book classes, track fitness goals, and explore personalized recommendations, while businesses can manage appointments, view reports, and interact with clients, all from their mobile devices. Mindbody is ideal for anyone in the wellness space. For clients, it simplifies the process of finding and booking services that support their health and well-being. For businesses, it's an all-in-one solution to optimize operations and enhance client experiences. In summary, Mindbody is a user-friendly and feature-rich platform that elevates the wellness booking experience for both clients and businesses. Check the links in the description to explore Mindbody and start enhancing your wellness journey or business management today.